I tested positive.
What? For COVID?
Of course, of COVID. I'm not pregnant.
Ahmed, is this one of your jokes? Difficult.
So how do you spell menu?
Menu?
Yeah,
That was random, but that's how you spell menu.
menu. How do you spell it?
M-E-N-U.
No, I don't think so.
M-E-N-U. Menu.
No, it's me and you.
Hey, Ahmed.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
I was going to sleep, because I have been waiting you like 3 minutes. For 3
No,
minutes.
you haven't. Oh, only 1 minute. You were early.
I don't know. Maybe you have to make sure about your watch. I don't know.
My watch?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I was going like acting like.
Oh, I didn't see you. I was just doing the ABC song with a 4-year-old, so that was fun. So now I'm in a very entertaining mood. Hello.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a good idea. Can you?
Maybe I
sing
should talk
that
to you
song?
like you're a child, like you're a toddler.
Can you sing me that song because today is my birthday?
Oh, the happy birthday song?
Yeah.
It's your birthday today?
Yeah.
Oh, how old are you?
I am. Can you guess?
Oh, you look very old. No, I'm just kidding. You don't look old. I don't know. You look around. Don't be sad. It's nice to be old. You know, wisdom comes with age. The older you get, the wiser you're supposed to become.
Okay, I will take that as a compliment. Okay.
Okay, but I think you might be 35.
How did you know that?
Am I right?
Yeah.
Really? 35?
Yeah.
That's your age?
35. Yeah.
Oh, I'm just so good. I don't know. I just know
You're
things.
so good. Yeah, absolutely. You're so good. Yeah. And
Okay, so you want me to sing you a happy birthday song? Yeah, okay, so I can sing for you if you really want to. Can light you a candle.
Yeah, yes, please. And maybe I want.
Ahmed.
I want like some cheer up.
Why?
I want some cheer up.
You want to be cheered up. Don't ask me why I just have candles randomly lying around, but there's a candle for you.
At least you have one for me.
Yes. So I'm going to sing for you, Ahmed, and then you have to
Wow,
blow out the
you're
candle.
amazing. Okay,
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. Whew. Right. No, I forgot the happy birthday song. No, man. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ahmed. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Hooray! Now you blow out the candle.
Okay, I want to make my wish.
Yes, make a wish, but don't tell me what your wish is.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yay!
Thank you.
Oh, this is entertaining. I love it. Oh, it doesn't stop smoking.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna set off the fire alarm.
And that was.
Okay, are you cheered up, or do you feel better?
I feel better. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Why did you need cheering up if it's your birthday today?
You know why? Because that was like a good news, and I have bad news as well.
Yeah?
Yesterday, I tested positive.
What? For COVID?
Of course, of COVID. I'm not pregnant.
Ahmed, is this one of your jokes?
No.
It's not a joke
can-
because
if you can notice my voice today, it's not like the old days. I have like
you have a little bit of a blocked nose.
I don't know what you call it, block noise.
Yeah, a blocked nose. Means
Have you noticed that on my voice?
not really, but I think it's because I don't know if it's different. Maybe over the phone you will sound a little bit congested.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sad that you have COVID. That's horrible. Sorry.
No, don't worry. It's like what do you call it? Like it's a little dose of COVID, you know. So
You mean it's a small case? You don't have a lot of symptoms?
Yeah, like I can taste the food, I can smell everything, but I have fever every 4 or 5 hours. I have fever. Like sometimes my temperature reached like 39, 38.
Oh.
I didn't reach 40, thank God.
Yeah, thank God for that.
Yeah.
Okay, so you had
You
some
can see
fever.
I'm sweating.
Oh, and you still attending our lesson today. That's very dedicated.
You know, today my English, it's like it's not
Nah,
as nice,
it's not
you
too
know?
bad. It's not too bad. But I mean,
Yeah.
COVID can have many symptoms. Sometimes it also affects your thinking, so you might be a little bit lethargic and slower than normal.
Yeah, and you thought I'm pranking you.
Oh, you know what? That would have been so insensitive, but I don't know. You always make jokes, so I wasn't sure. It is actually. I don't know. Okay, so you have at least you have a a line, so you don't cross a certain line. That's good.
Yeah, of course. Otherwise, I will be like a hilarious man, you know.
Yeah, you get a lot of hate if you make jokes about COVID.
About COVID, yeah. But
Yeah.
you know, I like to I like to have fun with my tutors. You know.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good
So
way to learn, having fun.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you because you understand me. You know, I want to ask you like a kind of this question, like a weird question.
Yeah?
Yeah, is your dad like a preacher?
Is my dad a preacher?
Yeah.
No, but people think he is because he's very serious.
Because when I look at you, I feel blessed.
This is exclusive. Go! Go! Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Or some websites have pickup lines, and then it's called the cheesiest pickup lines that you can get. And I don't know. Sometimes it works. Other times, yeah.
Let me use another one. But I will test my pickup lines. And please, if is it good, tell me, okay?
Okay, I'll tell you if it's good, but I don't have high hopes.
I can figure out from your reaction.
Okay.
But you know, I think you shouldn't be here in this platform.
I shouldn't be?
Yeah.
What?
You shouldn't be here on this platform. I mean, here on Cambly.
I shouldn't be here on this platform.
Yeah.
Why?
You should be in Miss Universe challenge.
Difficult.
So how do you spell menu?
Menu?
Yeah.
That was random, but that's how you spell menu.
Menu. How do you spell it?
MENU.
No, I don't think so.
MENU. Menu.
No, it's me and you. Got you again.
See why I actually thought you might not be joking before is because you keep making jokes.
I got you again.
Yeah, I never know when you're serious, Ahmed.
Yeah, sometimes I be serious, sometimes I be hilarious, you know. But
yeah, no, it's good.
But
good balance.
nowadays I have to be like hilarious, you know, because I need love, I need giggling.
Oh,
Yeah.
Why? Is it because you're sick?
I forgot to ask you like to go back. No.
To go back?
Yeah, because I have COVID. Okay. I will wear my mask. Put on my mask.
Let me just get my blanket. Yes, please. Oh no, you know what? This is useless. You just blew out the candle. So obviously you already.
Yeah.
We're very.
You from now on you have to take the vitamins. You know.
Yeah, I take the vitamins anyway. I take vitamins and Echinoforce. Do you know what that is?
No, Echinoforce.
It's like a flower, and it's like a flower extract. Apparently, it's very good for your immune system. Sorry, my blanket is trapped underneath my chair. Do you see I have a blanket because it's so cold today?
No,
like
here
8 degrees.
It's very hot today. We have like 45 maybe or more than 45 degrees.
Oh, that's hot. You're in Iraq.
Very hot.
Yeah, Iraq
is very hot. Yeah.
Okay.
Since we have like 1 minute, okay?
Yeah, 1.5.
Yeah, okay. I want to finish up with the funny thing.
Okay.
So here's the question. Be ready, okay? What is the difference between you and me?
Oh, what? Well, except for the obvious.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm South African and you're Iraqi.
I'm afraid you are wrong.
You're a man and I'm a woman.
I'm afraid you are wrong. Nope.
Oh, am I wrong about that?
Yeah, you has 3 letters and me has 2.
Ah,
it's a simple answer.
How am I supposed to have a conversation with this person?
Wow, thank you for your patience.
Yeah, you're funny. You brighten my day, so this is good. Thanks.
Yeah, you had like a conversation with a 4-year-old and then with the 35-year-old.
Exactly the same. Same level.
Yeah.
I didn't even have to change my voice tone. Same level.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, feel better. Go to sleep a little bit and I'll speak to you again.
Yeah. Have a good day.
You too, Ahmed. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.